Alright, figure I'd film this river crossing because it's fairly okay to do. So I shouldn't fall in, so I've got my water shoes on. And there's actually two people crossing from the other side in very similar ways. Oh god, this is cold water. It's good because that helps us all get some understanding of this river. How deep are you in? To your knees?
What?
Are you into your knees? Almost. I don't even know where the shallow end is, to be honest. Is this it? Yeah. It's a good thing it's a warm day, huh?
Downstream things a monster.
Oh good, downstream, that's okay. Shit. Do you want to go on that side or?
Sure.
Oh, that side? Okay.
Either way. I thought it was shallower there.
Whoa. Probably do this a little bit further. Gives me some more freedom to move. Right. That's the crossing of the day. And those were my partners in crime. Probably doing the JMT northbound. Alright.